Welcome back, everyone. So my recent trip to Italy, the scenery is not quite as beautiful as Lecco and the mountains, if any of you saw that on my Facebook. But I'm back now, and I was missing the woods, so I thought I'd get out today. Timed it completely wrong. It's absolutely gonna sheet it down with rain in a moment. It's getting darker and darker, but it's what it is. Last few days have been difficult. Not in life. I mean, life's okay, isn't it? The way we handle things. But we're starting to get a little bit disheartened with the channel and the content that was going out and the content that I'm watching. I was just getting really disheartened, and it actually crossed my mind whether to call it a day or stop now. Then I had the feeling of frustration, pretty much I would imagine what some of you guys are feeling or going through. I'd open up Facebook, I would see 10 signs you're a medium, signs that the spirit world are trying to talk to you, our spirit around you, and this just annoyed me really. And then I thought, no, I need to create more videos. It's saturated with this idea out there, and although I'm one voice, there's over 1,000 of you now on the channel, so although it doesn't reach far and wide, it's slowly growing. So it was the fuel that got me up today to grab the camera and come to the woods to do it from another angle. So we always have to keyword the videos or title it correct so people click on it, all that kind of stuff. There's so much that goes into a YouTube channel. It's unbelievable. I definitely didn't understand the task I was taking on when I did it, but it does need a title, so I'm going to probably call this one from a humorous point of view, and say something like things that probably don't make you a medium, or you're not a medium, or 10 things that show that you're not a medium. What kind of idiot wears white trainers to muddy woods? This idiot. So many of you inbox me and message me when I give out a warning on a video, like saying how much you love it. It means like you're saying something that no one else is saying, and so on and so forth. This is that warning I'm likely to in this video. Is what it is. Right, so let's begin. Let's break it down. Things that probably make you not a medium. Faith. I don't know if it's me. I don't know if I'm getting it right. I don't know. I'm not convinced. I'm not really sure the spirit world's there, or I'm not really sure where I got that from, if I got it from their energy, or if the communicator's giving me it. Then you're probably not a medium, because it requires 100% faith. End of story. Meditation. I have to meditate. My mind's so busy, and I'm so busy doing everything else. I just can't silence my mind. I need 30 minutes before a reading. I need 30 minutes before I demonstrate. I need 30 minutes before circle. Then you're probably not a medium. Protection. Of course, the protection. That spirit world of pure essence love. You need protection. You need to protect yourself against all that love and the people's loved ones and the story that they're doing. Probably not a medium. Spending all your time in rescue circles and saving the world from the lost souls, when it's a very clean transition. Again, essence love. Anything less would say God made a mistake. So probably not a medium. Worrying about money, making it about money. How much am I getting paid? Making it this a business, and where's the next paycheck, and what am I doing? Probably not, eh? Those that tell you they're special, they promote their gift or they're gifted in some way. because they've done the simple thing of translating the energy that surrounds each and every one of us. It's part of you, a birthright. So I'd probably say they're not a medium. The ones that have a go at you, you're too open, you need to close down, you're too much in the spirit world. You must spend this time in shutting the chakras and your mind down, when actual fact it's just a thought process. Don't think of the spirit world and you're not there. So the ones that are banging on about close down, remove the roots from the ground, put yourself in a box, turn your light off, blah blah blah, they're probably not a medium, are they? Mediumship's probably not the way to go forward for you if you're working in a particular way. Like I have Dad here, and I know he's in his 50s and he passes in a car accident, for example, and then oh my God, I lost it. I lost the link. Done it. I've no idea where it's gone. Maybe not for you. And then we have the likes of look. There's Holly. Must be the spirit world. Must be a sign. Look, there's a tree. Must be another sign. And this looks delusional. And if we actually all spoke about what went in our head, I think we'd all be locked up. So probably not for you either. While recording this video, I've got to make my way home soon, because I'm working in Felixstowe tonight. But I might have to ring them because the moon and the alignment that are up there, it's just coming out of this latest retrograde, and Mercury's pissing about at the back doing something. It's just going to throw me off sync. I'm not going to be able to do it properly tonight because, you know, that it's just not all in alignment. Probably not for you. And then we have the ones that will talk of the guide, which we've all got, haven't we? But it's that personal relationship that we're forming there. And they'll make me stand like this, or they'll bend me in funny ways, or there's someone super famous, because why wouldn't they? And then we have one of my personal favourites, of course, because we've all got our favourite ones, haven't we? The ones that channel from different planets, you know, planet Sirius, from a faraway galaxy, telling us all how wrong we're getting it, telling us how we need to come together and promote peace and all that kind of stuff, which I totally agree with. But they never offer a solution. They never offer a way of saving this beautiful planet that we live on. They never offer a way to break down the corruption in governments and the monetary system. Strange. And the ones that offer a special promotion, you know, something along the lines of, you know, is your third eye blocked? Is your pineal gland calcified? For $250, I can unblock that for you. I can decalcify it for you. In fact, any blockage you have, I can help you with for this price. Probably not medium, are they? Another one of my personal favourites. The ones that sign off with love and light, with absolutely everything, and yet they are usually the culprit of gossip, rumour, delusion, all that kind of stuff. But because I sign off love and light, all negative is erased. And the one that gets me the most is when you have a bad day or a bad period in your life. Maybe you stubbed your toe, or people are cancelled on you, or, you know, whatever, fill in that blank. And then they say, the spirit world are testing me today. You know, they're making my life hard. They're making me angry or frustrated. They're making me upset and emotional. And you couldn't be more wrong. Spirit world are not there to do that in any essence whatsoever. So I would say a lack of understanding there. It's probably not a medium. It's about to rain, really dark, really muggy. It's about to absolutely chuck it down. So I'm going to finish the rest of this one at home. So this is me home now. And all joking aside, all messing about aside, we've all probably done one of those things that I was talking about. Some may still be doing it. Some may have put it in their past a long, long time ago. But the reality is that we've certainly had that upon our journey, or been taught that in our journey somewhere along the way. And the idea is that we have to try and open up our mind. Mediumship is not about trying, it's an allowance. Mediumship, you just allow it to unfold without all your hang-ups and all the problems that we've got as the individual, to hand over a mind for them to impregnate or give an idea, so then we present it. And through this presentation, we don't need to talk about the way we got the information, the feeling we got. It's just simply we translate it in a presentable way. It's going out into the public, and we need it to come across professional. We need it to come across like this is normal. But if we actually speak about the process that goes through our head, we would appear far from normal. I think you would agree on that. So the idea that I'm trying to get across here, across the video, and to give you some sort of working or understanding within your own mediumship, is try and see it like a glass. There, you can see a little bit of water in there. Yeah. And that's kind of the vessel that we are. That's the vessel right there. And ideally, that's how much we want to occupy our mind during the acts of mediumship, you know, as little as possible. We can't have it empty, because we've got to function, we've got to move, we've got to present, whether that be in a one-to-one or a demonstration, whatever it'll be. We need to breathe, we need to move the blood around our body, and so on and so forth. The bare minimum to keep the function going would be this here. Then, hold on. Then we have our mistakes, our flaws, our hang-ups, whatever it'll be. And so we'll just add a little bit of doubt, you know. And it's filling very fast. You know, I don't know if I'm getting it, I don't know. And I haven't meditated enough, and so that's another thought that's going on in your head. And you've got to protect yourself. And am I making enough money? And here it goes, it's just constantly filling up. We've got our guide, and our moon phase. And am I protected? Am I open? Am I closed? And before you know it, there is no room left for the spirit world to work. Although I joke, and I've, you know, made a humorous kind of video to go with this, the actual fact is that we are all mediums. From birthright, we're all mediums. And you are the problem. Your hang-ups, your ideas, your teachings. Maybe it's not even started with you, but someone's gave you the idea. And what you want is that glass to be as empty as possible, without your hang-ups, without your problems, without the fears manifesting, whatever it is. Give them the mind to go with it. So every single one of us is a medium. How we translate it, how we operate it, is going to be unique to the individual. And so that's what I'm trying to get across in this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you made it to the end, I know a lot of you would have been offended with the stuff that I've said, and probably haven't even watched it to the end. But if you had, then you'll see where the video was leading to. Don't forget, I have a live feed tomorrow. Please join me with your questions, and I will try to answer them in my understanding or to my interpretation. And I'll see you maybe later in the week. Who knows? Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you all next time.